Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to group and ungroup on Canva. Now, if you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. First of all, just make sure you have opened your Canva design. Just select the elements you want to group with your mouse. Right click with your mouse, and here you will see this option group. Just click on it, or you can also just press Ctrl plus key from your keyboard after selecting the elements. As you can see, it is grouped. Now, if you want to ungroup it, just right click with the mouse and you will see this option ungroup. Or you can also just press Ctrl plus Shift plus G. That's it for the video. That's how you can group and ungroup on Canva. Thanks for watching.